we got to get rid of this pumpkin. That's what's coming up next on this episode of R4 Mississippi Thunder, so stay tuned. Alright, hi! Welcome to R4 Mississippi Thunder. And we got this pumpkin we got to get rid of after Halloween. It's getting a little moldy. It was very labor intensive. I carved a face for my oldest son here. He wanted a little scary one. I carved this little cute kitty for my youngest son, but since it's getting a little moldy, we got to get rid of it. I think the best way to take care of this pumpkin is mix up a little Tannerite. Then we're going to take care of the Tannerite with this Ruger American 308 rifle. And we're going to use the 7.62 by 5.1 NATO ZQI ammunition. It's 147 grain full metal jacket. So here we go. Got our pumpkin set up. Got our Tannerite. This is a ½ pound of Tannerite. We're going to pour in our catalyst and shake it up a little bit. All right, leave that to get it. Let's go back and shoot it. Okay, the range is going hot. Hitting the pumpkin. Well, been hitting the pumpkin and the Tannerite.
That's the first round then.
But in the same spot, but the Tannerite ain't going off. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. All right, so that's how you get rid of a pumpkin. Finally. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in to R4 Mississippi Thunder. And hope you come back to see us again. Hit that like button, share it with a friend, hit the bell for notifications. And thank you for watching R4 Mississippi Thunder. God bless America.